Abortion workers are very fearful of the abortion industry, and they are told that people on the other side in the pro-life movement are out to harm them. They're not a safe place to turn to. And I remember one time being in a meeting with my supervisor, and one of our workers, one of my coworkers, came in and said, I'd really like to just explore a different line of work, maybe in child protective services or some other sort of social organization. I remember my boss looking at her and saying, well, good luck trying to find another job now that you've worked in the abortion industry. And she ended up staying because that was a real fear. That's a real fear for people who maybe are supporting their own families with their income. I know with our ministry, we have a worker that's a single mom of 7 children. So, she has to have income. She has to have a job to support her family. And that's very common inside of the abortion industry. They provide wonderful benefits. They provide excellent health insurance, 401k matching programs, all these things, just incentives to help keep their workers there. And it is a black mark on someone's resume if you've worked inside the abortion industry. I tell people it's kind of like if I wanted to become a professional dog breeder, but I had on my resume that I had worked at a puppy mill. That would be devastating. I would never be able to be taken seriously in that industry of dog breeding or dog handling. It's the same sort of thing with these workers. The medical industry, even though the majority of them support abortion and support abortion clinics, they know that the workers there are many times poorly trained, they're uneducated, and they've been participating in many fraudulent activities, and they don't want that inside of their own clinics.